Frida by LEILANI Joy in 40 by 50 cm rounds version 1 special treatment starts with lightning diamonds that we have sprinkled on the white pendant that she's wearing. So simply place it on here. You don't have to fill the entire white space with the lightning diamonds, but you can simply sprinkle it so that it's got some extra sparkle. This is for version 1. For Frida by LEILANI Joy in 40 by 50 cm rounds, special treatment version 2 now adds a whole bunch of pearls that we are placing on her hair, and this is for the flowers on her hair. So each color represents a different color of pearls. For example, we've placed violet pearls over here, and then we've got periwinkle right over here, avocado over there, lemon pearls sprinkled on the large yellow flower, mandarin over here, and some avocado in the middle, and then some chili pearls. So once again, we've got violet, periwinkle, avocado, lemon, mandarin, and chili. So simply replace the beads that you would normally get for the matching color with your special beads with your pearls in the matching color, and use those instead so that it gives it a different look as opposed to the regular beads. It will give her a more sparkly effect for the flowers on her hair. For Frida by LEILANI Joy in 40 by 50 cm rounds, special treatment version 3 now adds labradorite that we have sprinkled on the green leaves that surrounds Frida. And this really kind of just embraces her in this painting and completes the sparkling look of this special treatment. Once again, for version 3 special treatment, you get all of the beads we have placed on this canvas, including special beads such as the lightning diamonds for the pendant of her necklace, as well as the pearls that will be placed on the flowers on her hair, violet, periwinkle, avocado, lemon, mandarin, and chili. And lastly, we've got the labradorite crystals that are now sparkling around her, sprinkled on the green leaves.